Now then guys, how's it going? I hope you're all doing superbly well. As it's another cloudy day, wouldn't you guess, I decided to make a video about something slightly different, still related to astronomy, but not directly astronomy. But it's another hobby of mine, and that is 3D printing. I've been into it for years and years now. I absolutely love it. I've just recently reinvested into a top-of-the-line printer from Bamboo Labs. Really wonderful bit of kit. And my printing capabilities are better than ever. I'm able to make parts faster and stronger and more dimensionally accurate than ever before. And I'm having the time of my life with it. I absolutely love it. So basically, I'm going to show you the parts that I currently make, design and sell online. If you want to find me, by the way, on eBay, I go as bargain_buyers_UK. We've had this account for about 20 years now. And over on Etsy too as well, just very recently I made an account on there at a customer's request. So let's take a look at the parts that I offer and we'll talk a bit more about this whole thing. Alright then guys, so on the table in front of me here, I've got a few different items that I kind of generally hold in stock. Some are very new, such as the cable clips that I've came up with as a response to a problem I had routing cables effectively on my Celestron RASA 11. That was a real big issue, getting things safely routed where they wouldn't get caught. So I came up with this thing, a print in place hinge, along with a slotted cable routing design, which actually just goes onto a Losmandy dovetail in this case. I came up with also a Vixen variant, which I can just show you right here. I'll just quickly demonstrate it. So looking down the profile of the dovetail, just clamp it on, screwed in place using the little screw on the side right there, and then there you go. You can now pop all your cables into those slots, clamp it back up, it clicks in place, and you know, all your cables are held really nicely. It's a good little design. I've found them very useful on my own scopes. The thing that really kicked it all off for me was this one, the William Optics RedCat 51 upgraded mask that I came up with. So what separates this from the one that William Optics ships is, of course, well, it's pure black to start with, but the very fine diffraction grating that I opted to include on this thing, it gives you a much clearer diffraction when it actually comes to looking at the image on the screen that stars produce. So those spikes, I always used to find with the basic William Optics mask, the clear acrylic one with very few grating edges, I always give kind of mushy diffraction, but this gives super clean spikes every time. I've been using one of these, this is an older one, for ages in Chloe's RedCat right now, and yeah, just a wonderful bit of kit. And that's really the thing that made me able to reinvest a lot into 3D printing too. Other parts just came up again as problems that I encountered myself. So this was the EvoGuide 50ED. I was having trouble focusing that thing accurately, so I thought, right, let's make a mask. Came up with this thing, popped it up for sale. Now I make a few of those and sell a few of those a month. At this point, I'm getting onto objects now that were requested by other people. So thanks goes out to Sergio, who got in contact and asked about a TS65 quad Binov mask, which I came up kind of a big brother design for the EvoGuide 50ED, as you can see right there. But he's very happy with that. We kind of prototyped it back and forth. It only took 2 prototypes to get this one right. So thanks again, Sergio, for your help with that one. This one was from a subscriber to the channel called Isaac, actually, who wanted a similar replacement as the RedCat mask for his GT81 or Zenith Star 81. Also, it fits both scopes. And this popped up as a result of that. So again, thank you to Isaac. And I am open, by the way, guys, to people getting in contact and asking for things, kind of designing and making, and if it's within my power to do, I'll do it for you, you know, and we can figure something out. So yeah, that's about it from there. All right then guys, I'm back now, and that's really about it. That's the kind of things I wanted to cover, just to let you know the things that I currently designed and made, and also open you up to the opportunity of having things that you think you might want actually turned into a reality. It's quite a cool thing, and I'm always happy to do it as long as it's within my skill set to do so. So yeah, thank you everybody, as always, for watching the videos, all the way from, you know, just leaving a like makes a huge difference, all the way to people giving direct support, which I just can't thank you enough for. Genuinely, I can't, because it's all of you guys together that are keeping this kind of dream a reality. Every day is a living dream. It's nuts, but I'm very happy to be here. So with that said, it's a happy note to finish on, given how cloudy it is outside. Stay upbeat, look after yourselves, and I will see you in the next one. Clear skies.